Good morning, everyone. This is Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today with Rob Hostler. We're getting ready to walk you through our newest listing at 2310 North Cottage Trail, Unit B3 in Show Low, Arizona. So let's go ahead and take you on in for a tour today. So these beautiful condos over here in Bison Ridge. Bison Ridge. They're just so rustic and they're just really nice. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Really nice, as you can see. Beautiful morning outside. Beautiful day in Show Low. So really nice, large size living room. And you got your dining area. And a really nice kitchen over here.
And the sellers went ahead and did the upgrade and put their washer over there.
Okay, yeah, that's really nice.
When they bought it, it was just more cabinets.
Okay.
They've upgraded the flooring.
Braided flooring. Okay. And, you know, it's such a beautiful day. Let's go ahead and walk outside here so I can show you the back deck. Can you believe that view? It's just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you walk out into the forest here, really. You're looking into the forest. Okay. And here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms. First of all, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So there is your bathroom number 2, full bath. And bedroom number 2, really nice and spacious. Got the wood doors on the closet over there. And the main bedroom here, really a nice size main bedroom. And then of course you have the main bathroom, and has a full 3/4 shower here. So really nice. And so yeah, wow, really a nice condo.
Very nice condo. Very well maintained.
Yeah, you can tell it's like brand new in here. When you walk in, it has a very, very nice, clean feeling. Okay, so we'll just walk out here. Walking out into the parking. Alrighty, well, thank you for taking this tour with us today. If you have any questions or if you would like to view the property, please call Rob.
928-358-0492. Thank you.
Have a great day.